I'm here with the Head Xtreme Soft versus the Head Prestige Pro grip tapes. So there are a little bit of differences here. So this one is whole, so no perforation, and this one does have just a little bit of perforation. Not that much, it's not really a perforated one, but this helps with grip and then that sweat absorption as well. So this might be a good option here. The Prestige Pro, it's a little thicker, 0.6 millimeters, and it weighs 6.5 grams. And this one is just a little thinner, 0.5 millimeters, and it weighs a little heavier, 8.5 grams. So if well, performance and the heaviness of your racket, in this case paddle racket, but of course tennis racket as well, is really of a concern to you, then this might be a very good option. It keeps your racket nice and light, and that's why it's called the Prestige Pro, this one. It isn't that tacky, just a little bit, so not an overly grippy or anything, so this is a very good choice. I do prefer this one though. It's a little bit more tacky, and I like that tackiness in my rackets, and you also have those perforations, which I think is nice if you have trouble with like longer rallies. Then this is something that would be really well for you if you sweat a lot and grip is an issue for you. So those are the differences between these two. I really like the Head brand. I think it's very, very cool. I will almost always use Head as a grip tape. So these are the different options that you have, and I hope this video has helped you make your choice.